So right now I'm on work, and this is supposed to be the best time for me to like get stuff done, like important stuff like that. It's quiet, I'm alone, and all of that stuff. But I'm usually just on my phone, going through Instagram, editing photos, editing videos, playing games, and the time just goes by. It is 3:47 right now. Usually I get a little bit sleepy around this time. Um, but I'm up. I'm up right now. Maybe around 4:30 I'll start to kind of like snooze off a little bit because it's very very slow tonight. So yeah, that's pretty much it. It is Thursday morning. I'll try to vlog on through the weekend and not let this video be too long. All right, so see you guys a little bit later. All right guys, it is what, let me make sure that time right because one night this clock jumped time. Anna went in her bed 7:30 instead of 8:30, and I was saying that I wanted to go in my bed by 11:30, but I was on my phone watching TikTok. And when we really catch ourselves, the clock was saying 12:30, but my phone was saying 11:30. I was like, what's going on with this clock? But mind you, this clock, this digital clock, see it, where is it? I can't even get my bearings right. It's on the other side. There it is. That clock is, but it's old. It's very, very old. So it trips off sometimes now, which is understandable. But so the time may or may not be 11:22. It could be 10:22. But I swear to you, I saw 10 o'clock when I got up to make Anna breakfast. So when I finish this clip, I'll let you guys know if the time is right or not. But I'm still in bed. What happens when I work nights? I pretty much just let Anna wake me up when she's ready for breakfast. And it's usually like a slice of fruit, pancakes, not pancakes, waffles with syrup and chocolate milk, and she eats that while watching TV, and she brushes her, after that she brushes her teeth, and then she gets dressed and she goes on her iPad for about 2 hours while I kick in some zoos, because 2 hours is not enough for me to sleep. I'll be groggy and tired and cranky. I wouldn't be able to stay up tonight to watch no movie or nothing. So I need my sleep. Anna's fine. And when I do get up, like around 1 o'clock, we'll start her work for today and stuff like that, and then go through the day. And you'll see maybe. I don't want to, as I'm vlogging today, tomorrow, and the weekend. So my last vlog was like 12 minutes, so let's see if this vlog could be like 15 minutes, because I know people don't be liking to sit through no long vlogs. Sorry to say that every single vlog, but anyway, let me go. I will catch you guys a little bit later. Just came back to let you guys know that the time is right. I swear I saw 10 o'clock. You know what happened is I woke up and I saw 10, and Anna was laying next to me, and I told her when she's ready for breakfast to wake me up. And then when she woke me up, I didn't look at the time again. So that's what happened. Don't take a picture that you like. I'm vlogging. You don't want me on camera looking like that? I'm in the middle of doing my makeup, and I'm about to put on the Harlem Shuffle for Anna and I to dance to, because this is what they give for assignments, dance, and physical education. They always have you recording yourself doing some type of dance or some type of physical activity. So we learned the dance yesterday, and Anna and I are about to do it. Anna and I are about to do it on camera and send it to her teacher for like 1 minute, and she's watching this long video. She refused to skip the ad because she don't want the video to come. And I just gave her some extra work. She did really good in her spelling test, 14 out of 14, and then I'm gonna check her math just now. Skip. Oh, another one. You lucky. going to the store. I have my mask and my hand sanitizer. Trying to get Michael to leave the house so damn long, yo. I want to go to the grocery and see if I get these wonton skins. I feel for wontons. It just come in my mind today. Like, one thing about me, when something come in my mind, I just feel for it. And then when I feel for something and I get that and I get what I need, I always want it over and over and over again until I fed up. Now he go buff me up and say I taking long now. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put my mask on. So this is the wonton skin here, and I'm going to use a little bit of this with my minced beef. This should be, yeah, this is more than enough. I hope this one's seasoned, you know, because I remember seasoning this one. I'm not sure if this one's seasoned, but I could always season it in the pot. And I'm going to be doing a little bit of pasta as well for like Michael and Analia, because they probably wouldn't like this. But this is my dinner and I can't wait because I'm hungry. So this is how they look. They're very thin, fast cook, deep fry. I'm gonna put just a little bit of this inside of there. I use too much oil. Then I'm sealing around the edges with water, and you know, just deep fry them real quick. More wontons. These banged, yo. Next time I'll probably make it with some crab meat. Oh god, my mom don't got any last night, so she don't got a couple of them today. We was like, I was not expecting my girl to like it, but he so good. Of course, Analia is on her tab.
Get away, everyone.
That's not nice. That's not nice. So I have to get ready for work soon. I went 3 o'clock. It's about 1 o'clock now. So I'm going to just relax for an hour and then go and bathe and get ready to get out of here. See y'all later. I'm supposed to be at work already. It's Saturday morning. You still didn't come outside. You're supposed to be looking for the garbage truck. I don't know if the garbage truck and them on their usual schedule, but yeah, we swapped out the TVs, so the old hunchback TV is finally going outside after all these years. Oh gosh. Yeah. Heading to work. I have a sandwich to eat. I'm debating if I should drink some coffee because I feel like crap. Because we stayed up last night watching Hobbs and Shaw. I usually don't watch any TV Friday night, but we needed to test out the new TV. And on the old one, that movie was not showing good. So it's like, we have to finish the movie. Anyway, it's going to come out. Later, guys. Yeah, there's a whole long look at these people at Peppers. We buying food at Peppers. I was craving it, so they're only allowing a couple of people in the store, but outside where people lining up, they just don't get it. They just don't get it. They pile up together. They just don't get it. You know, it's just not, it's not safe nowhere. You know, you're taking your precautions, you're doing what you had to do and all of that stuff, and it's not safe nowhere. We always roll Mommy. With a hand sanitizer Mommy? And gloves. Yes, Anna?
Did Daddy take the pictures with your...
Happy Easter Sunday, everybody. I hope you all had a great day. This vlog should go up tonight. It should, because I already edited it up to this point. Hope you don't mind me blurring my background. Somebody told me that I should do it. So years of y'all seeing where I live. And all of a sudden, oh, she blurring her background. Yes, girl. So yeah, I'm heading to work Easter Sunday morning. I haven't worked alone here in about 2 years. It feels like we do practice social distances. I'm usually here, or someone's usually here, and someone else is like 8 feet away working. I'm here alone this morning. I'm kind of excited. I haven't worked alone in a couple years. I remember when I used to be here alone at night doing the graveyard shift. I used to take off all the lights. All the lights, close up the doors, and I'd be on my phone and everything. I only knew about headphones when I started working with somebody else. Started my phone, and oh, it used to be a snuggy old time and everything. But yeah, it's kind of different today, this Easter Sunday. Kind of different today. Eating a piece of cake. My mother did her thing with this cake. Do you see the details in that cake? I'm doing pilau again. I didn't feel like doing stew chicken and pie, so I'm doing pilau again. And I fried out my chicken a little bit too much. It got burnt, and I would have a set of like black stuff in the pot with the rice. I hope it don't like be too crunchy. I hope it melt out as the pot cook, because that's gonna be very annoying to eat. I'm doing it like I did last time when I fried on the chicken, put it aside, and then add it in later on. So I really like how that tastes. That tastes banging. And my peas. Shoot. Oh. Whew. So told I had to go to the store. I will not go. That would be a different type of pilau, I could tell you that. I was not going to that store. But anyway, I'm just checking in. What's all that noise about?
I not make this thing.